Hi Glam fam, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you all these beautiful floating shelves that I made. I have been trying to make these floating shelves forever and I finally did. So these are the floating shelves, the mirror floating shelves that I made. So if you'd like to see how I did this, please just stay tuned.
Okay, y'all, so for this particular project, we're going to use two of these floating shelves that I purchased from Five and Below. We're going to use two of these little canvases that I found at Dollar Tree. They're already glued together because I'm taking them from a previous project. We're going to use a push light, hot glue sticks, and these mirrored tiles. And we're also going to use our diamond wrap E6000, and we're going to use these mirrors from dieflart.com. Both of these came from dieflart.com. Okay, y'all, let's get started. Okay, so for the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these two and we're going to glue them together because we're going to make it like one shelf. Oh, I'm sorry, let me get the E6000. So we're going to make one shelf, and we're going to use the E6000, and we're going to use the hot glue, and we're going to apply a generous amount. You can use any glue that you want, that you know that will hold. So we're just going to stick them together. And although this is not going to be dry, we still can work with it long as it, holds together. So we're going to take our hot glue gun and we're going to go in between the seams. None of this is going to matter in the end. You just want a good hold. So we're going to hold it together for a second. And these shells, they're ugly because I did paint them silver with the Rust-Oleum metallic paint. But the thing is they don't paint well. But it's not going to matter in the end. So what we're going to do is hold our shelf like to the back with the back down. So we're going to take 3 of the mirror tiles. We're just going to start at the edge and glue them down almost to the top like that. This is a really quick and easy DIY, y'all, but it looks so pretty when you're done. It looks so glamorous. Okay, so we're just gonna put these tiles at the end. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I do have to clean it up really bad. It's really terrible, but I'm gonna clean it up and then I'm gonna show you how it looks on the wall.
Okay, everybody, this is the end results of the floating shelves that I made. The canisters that I have a video for those. This is for the bathroom, like cotton balls and stuff in there and whatever. I'm gonna put some letters on there, but y'all, I'm not good at taking those letters off, so I'm gonna figure it out. But this is the end result, and this is over my toilet in my bathroom. I'm currently getting everything painted, y'all, so you know, just bear with me. But I hope you like this video, or at least what I made, because I'm not good at making videos, but I hope y'all like what y'all see. So if you do, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs, and I will be putting out more in the next few days, y'all, because I've been sick with the COVID-19 and pneumonia. So I was in the hospital for 8 days, but y'all, I'm out and I'm trying to like get back to me. So y'all stay blessed and stay safe and have a wonderful day.